Stop getting average results from your AI. If you've ever typed a question into Chat or Gemini and got back a generic, boring, or surface-level answer, it's not the AI's fault, it's the prompt. Welcome back to the AI Prompt Queen. Today, I'm going to teach you the exact 4-step framework that separates the amateurs from the experts. Whether you're using Chat, Claude, or Gemini, this formula works every single time. We call it our RCCF, role, context, command, and format. Step 1 is the role. Before you ask for a single thing, you need to tell the AI who it is. This is the most skipped step. And it's why most people get generic advice. Think of it like this. If I ask a random person on the street how to fix a slow internet connection, they might say, "Unplug the router." But if I ask a network engineer with 20 years of experience, they're going to talk about packet loss, latency, and VPN protocols. When you define the role, whether it's a senior copywriter, a Python developer, or an airplane pilot, you are priming the AI. You are telling it specifically which slice of its massive database to pull from. You're unlocking the specific vocabulary, tone, and depth of knowledge required for that job. Don't just say, "Help me write." Say, "Act as a senior network engineer." Once the AI knows who it is, it needs to know where it is. This is step 2, context. Context is the background story. Without it, the AI is guessing. You need to feed it the specific scenario so it can tailor the solution to you. Let's stick with our example. If you just ask for tweets about internet speed, you'll get fluff. But look at the difference when we add context. I am writing content for high-level IT clients who need to increase their network speed across multiple VPNs securely. See the difference? Now the AI knows we aren't talking to teenagers playing video games. We are talking to professionals managing enterprise networks. The more specific your context, the more usable your result will be. Step 3 is the command. This is the action step. What do you actually want the AI to do? You must be precise here. Ambiguity is the enemy of quality. Don't just say write some tweets. The AI doesn't know if you want 2 tweets or 200. It doesn't know if you want them funny or serious. Be explicit. Your command should look like this. Write 10 educational tweets. Or write a 2,500-word blog post optimized for SEO. This sets the boundaries. It tells the AI exactly how much effort to exert and what the final deliverable needs to look like. And finally, step 4, format. This is the secret sauce for productivity. You don't want to spend 20 minutes reformatting the AI's answer because it gave you a giant wall of text. You need to tell it how to present the data so it is ready for you to use immediately. Do you want a bulleted list? A table with columns for tweet and hashtags? Do you need custom HTML code ready to paste into a WordPress site? Or maybe a CSV format for a spreadsheet? By defining the format, you save yourself hours of manual work. You get a result that is plug and play. So let's put it all together. Role, network engineer. Context, improving VPN speeds for IT clients. Command, write 10 tweets. Format, a table with columns for the tweet text and suggested image ideas. Try the RCCF method on your next prompt, and I promise you, the difference will be night and day. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into mastering AI. I'm the AI Prompt Queen, and I'll see you in the next prompt.